Brioche. Brioche, you psychopath. No.
Kitty, you look like you're in one hell of a predicament. But don't worry.
You got this.
Biscuit.
Can you get it out? What the fuck?
Look what's on his neck. Dude, you've been getting into shit, huh?
David, help Mr. Baby.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Shadow? What are you doing?
How did you get up there? What happened?
It's a weird looking burrito. Hi, burrito. What's happening? What are you do? Yeah, you did that to yourself, didn't you?